poultry in motion. And this is what it looks like. Let me see if I can hold it somewhere. There we go. Each of these 4 little hens doing their own thing. One's going left and right, front and back, side to side, and this one, the closest to me, is laying eggs. And I made it so that you can look inside there. Of course, there's a little egg that made its way down. That's got 1 cam. And this one has a couple of cams that are making that hen rock side to side. This one, oh look, 3 surprise eggs there. Whoops, gotta hold it somewhere. There we go. That guy's just going back and forth. And the last door shows us a little baby chicken. There it is. I saw this on the internet. It was a much bigger, someone had made a much bigger one, but I decided I was gonna take a crack at it. This one's about 11 inches wide. Our next door neighbors, the Barnesons, raise chickens, and also they raise great kids. We love their 5 kids. And so I was making this and I thought, I'm gonna make one for the Barnesons too. So they're identical. There's a few things different in wood variation, but basically I just ended up making 2 of them. Such fun. Since I decided to make 2 of these, I thought I'd show the one on the left, which is this one and the materials behind it. This one's probably 85% done, and this one's about 25% done. And I've been trying to make 2 of everything as I go, but can't do that all the time. Like the hens just take about an hour each, easy. So I just have blocks of wood. But this is what it looks like sort of in 2 different stages. I wanted to add a little chicken on each of these, and then a sort of a brand logo like they do on the side of barns.